Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to go live on TikTok on your PC. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and in the search bar you simply need to type tiktok.com. Afterwards, you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your TikTok account. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you are going to see this live tab in the left hand section. But if you are not able to see this live tab over here, then you need to hover over to your profile, and here you will be able to see the option of live studio. So I simply need to click on it. Once you do this, you will be landed on this TikTok Live Studio page where you will be able to see this download button. So you simply need to tap on this download button and the TikTok Live Studio application will start downloading in your PC. So you just have to install it successfully in your PC, and once you launch it, you are going to see a start button on the home screen. So you need to press start, and this way you will be able to start live streaming on TikTok in your PC. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.